You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly the name of this municipality, community, little town, harbour in Canada, Nova Scotia. If you want to learn more names of Canadian places, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you, pronounced as Musquodoboit, apparently. Musquodoboit, not boit at the end, not at all. So you stress on the dob syllable. Canada, Canadian pronunciation, local, Musquodoboit, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.